thing that we focus on in our company is safety, because we deal with one of the most important safety items, safety product in vehicles.
That's Ahmad Fagawi, Vice President of Windsor Machine Group. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Welcome to Auto News Now. Ahmad says there's a new headrest technology that could help reduce whiplash. Windsor Machine Group's TRUEactive head restraint.
This is the first product in the market where the headrest activates and adjusts to the most safest position, so full forward, full upward, prior to crash, to support occupant's head and to prevent whiplash.
The restraint uses radar sensors that can detect a rear-end crash. The sensors then tell the motorized head restraint to move closer to the occupant's head. It closes the gap between the person in the seat and the headrest by up to 40 millimeters in less than 1 second. If there's no impact, the headrest moves back to its original position. Ahmad says the company had one main goal with this new technology.
How can we improve headrests, and how can we improve the safety of the headrests that we offer in vehicles so that they can reduce that whiplash injury?
According to the San Diego Spine Research Institute, every year 3 million Americans sustain whiplash injuries due to rear-end collisions. 50% of them, or 1.5 million Americans, will suffer from chronic pain, and 300,000 will become disabled. But Windsor Machine Group says their TRUEactive headrest significantly reduces the chance of whiplash. They're the largest headrest supplier in North America and manufacture 20 million headrests every year.
That means we're dealing with more than 20 million lives out there every day. So we want to make sure that we take this seriously. And every time that we found an opportunity out there that we can enhance safety, improve safety, that's the first thing we go after.
Windsor Machine Group presented their TRUEactive headrest to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. IIHS gives vehicles safety ratings to inform consumers on how safe each vehicle is. IIHS encouraged the manufacturer to move forward with research and development. The Institute even funded a large portion of the project. The technology was tested at the Insurance Institute facility in Virginia to assess how occupants react to whiplash injuries. Windsor Machine Group expects to exceed IIHS ratings with lower whiplash neck injuries. Ahmad says the company will continue to create new technology and is proud of what Windsor Machine Group has accomplished so far.
Most of the work has been done by our engineers, and I'm so proud by the amount of effort, work, creativity that they have put towards this project.
That's all we have today for Auto News Now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.